Makes you feel like a little kid. But as an adult, you can put as much peanut butter or jelly as you want on it. Hello, it's Janello, and on this week's video, something totally different. We're in the Adirondacks, and I'm here to show you my third favorite sandwich in the whole world. The experience is what takes this very simple sandwich and brings it up into the top 3 sandwiches of all time.
I'm saying we're past peak here, just past or in it.
Yeah, I think in it. We're going up to the boat dock.
Very nice, very nice.
I say we go through the campground this way.
Go around this side.
Go around this way, or this way, Little Rock Pond, whatever that is, and try and hit these lean-tos. And see if we like that spot, and then we can always continue on to Clear Pond. We are packing up, as you can see. We are in Faro Lake Wilderness. We're signing in, and then we're hitting the trail. You think it's gonna hold us, right?
We're gonna find out.
Let's go. It's fire time. When I was a kid, I grew up eating a lot of Italian stuff because my parents were Italian, but the staple of peanut butter and jelly was also still there as a snack, and I really always loved it. It got a little boring after a while, but eventually I found the perfect place for this perfect sandwich. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich in the middle of the woods after a couple-mile hike just hits the spot and refuels me like nothing else. Sitting on a rock like I'm doing right now, making a sandwich with some fresh bread, a couple tubes of peanut butter and jelly, and then sitting there taking in a view like this while eating that sandwich. There's nothing like that to me. So let's break down the peanut butter and jelly first off. There's only 3 components to this thing. First, you got your bread. You could go simple white bread, Wonder White. I mean, it's super terrible for you, but there's something about it that adds that nostalgic feel. Or you can gourmet that, go all the way up to your kind of your wheat breads, your seed breads. You can go into your sourdough lands and your sort of artisanal stuff. But the bread is really just the conduit for ingredient 2 and ingredient 3. Second ingredient, the peanut butter. This is the hearty part. This is the part that gives you the protein. This is the part that could be a bit more buttery. The great debate of crunchy versus smooth, always there. I'm a smooth guy. And of course, you can diversify your butters. You don't have to stay with peanut butter. You can move into almond butter, cashew butter. I tend to stick with the peanut butter. I like that flavor combination with the third ingredient, the jelly or the jam or the preserves. Slightly different preparations of fruit. I don't think that really matters much as the flavor. Classics, strawberries, grapes, but you can go into places like apricots, raspberries. I am a grape guy. Grape jelly is, to me, the only way to do a peanut butter and jelly, but I like to step it into the gourmet world with not just a straight Concord Welch's jelly, but something a little bit more refined and maybe not so sugary. It's the best. Maybe not what you expected from this video. If you want to know what my number 1 and number 2 best sandwiches are, give me a like, drop me a comment, and maybe I'll make another sandwich video in the future. So next time you're thinking of a sandwich, even if you're not in the middle of the woods, give the old peanut butter and jelly a try. You may just tap into something nostalgic and lovely that makes your day. Thanks for watching. I gotta get back onto the trail. We're hiking out today.